Today we have some electrifying news for you. Samsung is officially bringing their life-saving feature to the Galaxy S24 series, and it's not just about the display or performance. In this video, we'll unpack all the thrilling details of this new feature and everything else you need to know about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Samsung has officially confirmed that the Galaxy S24 series is getting a game-changing feature: two-way satellite connectivity for emergency situations. Imagine being in a remote location with no cellular connectivity, and you need to send a critical message. Well, with this feature, you'll have the power to send and receive messages even in those extreme emergency situations. This is a huge leap for smartphones, and it's something we've all been waiting for. Now, you might wonder, isn't this old news? Well, it's true that the iPhone 14 lineup already introduced one-way satellite communication, but Samsung is taking it a step further. With two-way satellite connectivity, you can not only send but also receive messages, making it a complete game changer. This life-saving feature is not only coming to the Galaxy S24 series, but is also expected to roll out on other Samsung devices like the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Z Fold 6 next year. It's clear that Samsung is on a mission to redefine the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. But that's not all. There's more exciting news from Samsung. They are working on the Exynos 2500, which is based on the 3nm architecture, and it will debut next year in the Galaxy S25 series. That's right, Samsung is pushing the envelope and gearing up to deliver the most cutting-edge tech. The CEO has expressed confidence in the GPU performance of the Exynos 2400, which they plan to launch this year. One of the key highlights is Samsung's partnership with AMD for their GPU, along with state-of-the-art generative AI capabilities. This sets the stage for a fascinating battle of chips in the world of smartphones. Now, let's talk about the look and feel of the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Leaked physical cases for these devices reveal a design that's quite similar to last year's model. This means no major changes in the overall appearance, but sometimes consistency is a good thing. However, there's one interesting design tweak. Samsung is changing the speaker opening on the bottom of the S24 Ultra to a long strip design instead of the traditional holes. This change might hint at improved audio performance, which is always a welcome enhancement. That's all for this video, but we'll be back with more thrilling tech news and updates.